Free video showing how this lazy secret plus TikTok is making me 6 figures a month and the exact process of how you can do this instantly. Discover the most viral content in seconds. Find the most viral content in seconds in any niche by searching any keyword, niche, hashtag, account, or niche to see all content ever posted in seconds. Find viral content to go viral again. Let TOKmate segment the best content, customize it with your caption, hashtags, or edits, then post or schedule to your account with one click. It's that simple. Sit back, go viral and watch the traffic come in. TOKmate handles the rest, sending the content viral from your profile, bringing in thousands of likes, follows, and engagement to your profile and the site/offers connected to it. Welcome. For those that don't know me, I'm Luke McGuire. I'm the leading social media marketer in the world and am the Aussie known for my accent, extreme sales videos. For creating the #1 selling social media softwares of all time, more importantly creating hundreds of 6- and 7-figure earners online. My passion is helping people build a life where they control their time and create freedom without trading hours for dollars and instead implement my software to automate key tasks that result in mass free traffic, engagement, time savings, going viral and money in the bank. I'm about to share with you how TOKmate will open the floodgates of organic, free viral traffic to your profile and put your brand, offer, profile or site directly in front of hundreds of thousands to even millions of people in your exact niche daily while driving sales direct to your accounts thanks to the mass organic traffic TOKmate creates for free using the fastest growing social network in the world, TikTok, without ever spending a dollar on ads. Why TikTok and why TOKmate guarantees day one results. TOKmate is the first and only software ever created that can send you, your profile and your sites viral overnight to your exact audience you want to target, making free organic traffic an option rather than a fluke for the first time in history. Before I share that though, let's get into TikTok. TikTok is the world's fastest growing social network and it's what's going to make you bank. It's as simple as that. TikTok is not only growing faster than any other social network with over 1 billion active users but is becoming users' favorite platform fast. The average user spends over 1.5 hours a day on TikTok, opening the app 8 times per day. This level of engagement is unmatched anywhere else. TikTok has the highest engagement rate out of any platform. On top of that, TikTok has the highest engagement rate out of any platform and spend an average of twice as long on TikTok per session compared to FB and IG. TikTok doesn't require you to have followers to go viral. TikTok allows its users to go viral from their very first post. Every piece of content has an equal chance to be seen by millions for free, and it lets its users decide how viral your content goes. If you have 0 followers, TikTok will share that content to an average of 2,500 plus people in your niche instantly, or say if you have 47k followers, the initial audience size is around 71k users that will see your content for free. TikTok's only goal is to put the content users want to see into their feeds at the right moment. If people like/comment or even just watch your entire video, TikTok will push it to more users, leading to more views, fans, and sales. Its goal isn't to limit you to see only your friends' posts but to show you content you are interested in. Digital Morning Brew Marketing Agency. 70k email list built 23 million impressions. TikTok is the platform to be on right now if you want to succeed online, as it is where your audience is spending the most time, is the most engaged and the most eager to buy. But if reaching them is that easy, why isn't everyone succeeding? The truth is, there's one big challenge that has held everyone back, until now. The problem is that creating content that goes viral and turning traffic to $$ has been anything but simple, until now. These were major problems. So it made me think. What if you could automate the entire viral process and unlock limitless growth? Imagine effortlessly finding the most viral, proven to win content in any niche within seconds. You could optimize it in one click, add the perfect hashtags to reach the most engaged audience, and mass schedule it to post at the right times for maximum virality, all without having to create original content or even use a camera. Imagine turning what used to be hours of hard work into a streamlined, automated process that gives you all the rewards without the headache. Most importantly, imagine if every time you posted content, Most importantly, imagine if every time you posted content, it went viral, driving engagement and sales without spending $1 on ads. That's exactly what TOKmate does. Well, after 2 years of development, 3 development teams who failed and me deactivating every other social network to focus purely on this project for you. We have done it. TOKmate discovers viral content in any niche for you to use ethically in seconds. TOKmate removes the need for you to create content and go viral. Simply have TOKmate search keywords, hashtags, niches and trending accounts and to provide you the most viral content in seconds, and instantly have TOKmate download and post or schedule this content from your account, sending you viral. Here is how TOKmate is going to have you making money as early as today. Let TOKmate send you viral today, putting you, and your offer, in front of millions instantly instead of go viral instantly. Go viral instantly and open the floodgates of buyer traffic by having TOKmate remove the guesswork of TikTok marketing. TOKmate is the all-in-one suite that allows you to find and discover the most viral content in any niche via keyword, hashtag, or account search, and instantly one-click post or schedule this content to be posted as if it was your own. Sending your account viral over and over again, opening the floodgates to niche buyer traffic. Generate buyer traffic in minutes. Because you don't need any fans for your content to be seen, using TOKmate will allow you to build pages of extremely targeted users in any niche at all, including ones you will never find on Insta. Simply have TOKmate find, analyze, and post content that already has gone viral before and watch it go viral again, but this time having it be connected to your TikTok account, sending you, and your other content on your page, viral as well. Grow thousands of new followers starting today. TOKmate ensures you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche, fast. It's as simple as finding the content that's already gone viral, posting it to your page, and watching the results come in. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.